Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Brand new video. I picked these up on eBay. Got another Cello pack of Prizm baseball. Let's see what we can find in this. Maybe we can find an auto in one of these Cellos. Pretty cool. Alright. We got 12 cards and then one bonus pack of red, white, and blues. The red, white, and blues are pretty sweet. That's why I like buying these. Right. First card in, got Garrett Cole, Corey Seager, Mark McGuire, Jose Ramirez, Trevor Rogers rookie card, nice. Got a Joe Adele rookie. Cal Ripken. Javi Baez. Nick Neidert. Cody Bellinger, Illumination, Davy Garcia, Prizm, and a Nick Madrigal. Rookie Prizm. Alright, so we got the bonus pack left here. Let's see if we can score some good rookies out of here. There we go. Got a rookie card of Nate Pearson. Gleyber Torres. Ricky Henderson. Brooks Robinson. Victor Gonzalez. And Jose Garcia. Alright. So, we didn't really hit anything too big. Got the Adele rookie. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching.